We're here to understand the sources of air pollution in Las Vegas. So what we're doing is we're driving around in a mobile laboratory, you see here, and we're measuring different pollutants that come from all the different sources that humans emit.
Matt Coggin is a research scientist from the University of Colorado, and he showed off his tricked-out ride, a Chevy van that is really a rolling laboratory. The instruments inside and out collect air samples and other information to determine the amount and types of pollution in our region. This ongoing federal study will help distinguish the different ingredients that create ground-level ozone. The month-long testing took place in Clark County this summer, part of an ongoing nationwide effort being conducted by the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration.
The instrument that I use measures volatile organic compounds, and it's in a sense, I like to think of us as CSI agents. So we can actually measure the unique fingerprint of different sources. So when we're driving around here, we can see molecules that come from very specific places, like vehicle exhaust, like consumer products, like trees. We can also measure things that come from fires. So we can use that information to say, oh, this amount of the pollution came from this source, this amount of the pollution came from this source, and then we use that to figure out how does that affect ozone and other pollution downwind.
Ground-level ozone is a naturally forming gas, the main component of smog. Ground-level ozone is a product of sunlight and emissions from motor vehicles, industrial plants and refineries, and from common human products such as aerosol sprays.
And then it gives us up-to-the-minute reading where the levels are.
Of course, Clark County conducts similar air quality testing around the clock. County-wide permanent monitoring stations are strategically located and measure a variety of different pollutants. These monitoring sites assess exposure levels to the general population. Supplementing the data from the federal testing can further break down how much of Clark County's ozone is homegrown.
This is going to be beneficial for us because it's going to tell us the specific pollutants that are in the air. Where right now with our monitoring stations, we know when we have ozone, particulate matter, sulfur dioxide. This is going to tell us all those precursor pollutants that are the building blocks to creating ozone.
Clark County's Department of Environment and Sustainability website provides a clear picture of our air quality index in real time. To monitor our valley's ground-level ozone, particulate matter, and more, visit clarkcountynvairquality.meteostar.com.